In this lesson, you're going to see some work I've done with one of my students to help him let your shoulder do the solidification from fighting force against force. So this is for those of you that feel like you're having trouble dealing with bigger, stronger opponents and you're having trouble, they're overwhelming you. You're constantly getting pushed around by them. Maybe sometimes you feel like you're kind of getting smushed by them, or sometimes you're just trying to fight so hard that you're just constantly being driven back. Either way, this is 5 steps that I'm going to give you to help you to stop fighting force against force. And that's the reality of it. When you're up against somebody stronger than you, you can't fight force against force. The bigger, stronger, the two is constantly going to win. So what you've got to do is you've got to learn position and structure, and there's a couple other things in there, a few other things in there. That's why there's 5 steps that I'll help you with in this video. Let your shoulder do the solidification. Keep the elbow down. The elbow goes forward. Still some down on your elbow. This is the solidification. Trust it more. Yes. See that? So in addition to your mind, it's also some trust in there. Relaxation and trust get in there. This is
okay. Good.
This is cool.
Yeah, let's put them all down. That's pretty good.
So you've got to trust.
Yeah, because before you can move your energy forward, you have to trust that the position's not going to go away.
Yes, that's exactly it. You've got to trust that the structure's going to hold.
Yes.
Based on a different position where you're being tested at.
Yeah.
If you don't trust that the shoulder is the origin of this elbow, you're going to go force against force when I test your elbow. All right, go ahead and get back to that position. 1, 2. Let's stay on 1 for a second. Just position. Let's check your position. Forget your relaxation and stuff. All right, we got a little bit messed up position here. Hips are going one way, shoulders are going another. Feel this twist in your lower back. Yeah. Make that tension go away. Make it completely relaxed so that there's no tension of the twist. Then you know that you got way better. You got your shoulders and hips a lot better now.
This hip was come back.
So with any position, you've got a number of joints that need to connect.
Yes.
First joints to connect are the shoulders and the hips. That's the first harmony of internal martial arts. Shoulders and hips. Okay? And then we need to make sure you got your legs. Just bring this one over. Yes, just a little bit. That should help feel a little bit better with the hips. Maybe, right?
Yeah.
And then this angle, and this angle for our long bridge work. Let's go ahead and check position off for now and move on to relaxation. Okay, relax this. So there's 2 so-called girdles in the body, or origins of our legs and arms.
Yeah.
The origin of the arms are the shoulders, the scapulas, the shoulder blades, shoulders down. Relax them. Same thing, relax your lower back. Relax your lower back so that your hips and pelvis can go down and settle and become part of the ground. Now your spine is becoming part of the ground. You're rooting through relaxation. You're doing both of those things. Pretty good, pretty good. Relaxation feels good.
Yeah.
Now we go into structure, which is another name for solidity of the joints, connecting the joints together. Okay. All right. So now let's test a little bit. Pretty good. Testing a little bit. That should be part of your, just like your elbow is your scapula, your knee is your pelvis. Right? So as I go here, that's your pelvis. More into it. More from your underneath, turning. No? Yes? Okay. Okay. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Energy, and you were already doing energy.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And yeah, we're gonna skip.
I was trying to not push down again because I was like, man,
Yeah.
I'm break that habit.
So when I went and tested you, I skipped. Quite honestly.
Okay.
I skipped from structure through trust and energy because you can't have it.
Yeah.
You can't feel that solid like you just became.
Right. Without.
And not trust and energy as well.
Yeah. They kind of do end up working together.
They do. They all become one, and you just like, oh, just do this.
Yeah.
Just like walking, you learn to walk. Okay, big deal.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Energy. Yes. Oh, it's going down a
It
little.
is. Yeah.
There. There. Energy. Root. Energy, root. So in that, we've got to know what part's root and what part comes forward. The hips, the lower spine, kind of 10U,
Yeah.
the shoulders, and the head being in the right position and also pulled up. Like over your spine, tuck your chin more. Yes, like that. Now, as I press down, extend. No, extend here. Through. Yes. There. Now you're doing it. Okay. Now the energy is flowing up. Now at the same time, this goes into the ground. And then when I tested this, go more. Yes. Okay. There you go. 3 points of occupation are your eyes.
Yeah. I was just trying to get. Yeah. I was closing my eyes.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Your eyes, your knees, and your elbows. That's what I want you to visualize going through. Elbow. Yes. Look at the difference.
Yeah.
Elbow. And trust that you can go through. Elbow. Yep. Knee. No. Where does the knee come from? Oh. Right? It doesn't come from there. Too much forcing forward. Go through. Yes. There we go. Okay. Go through. More solidity with your spine to the ground. Yes, look at that. Okay. See how much focus it requires?
Oh yeah.
I mean, there's very few things in the world that require this much focus, but that's a good internal martial art.
To be able to turn it all on like that is.
And that's how the energy is built. It's all about how much can you put into it to grow this awareness. And when you grow this awareness, man, it's amazing what things can happen.